Once again, grief surrounds the Liverpool family. Former Red, Alexander Manninger, has tragically passed away after a devastating accident in Salzburg. His car was struck by a train at an unguarded crossing and dragged several meters, leaving it destroyed. Emergency teams tried to save him, but it was too late. All passengers on the train survived, but one life was lost, and today, Liverpool loses someone who was once part of its journey. Manninger may have only spent a short time at Anfield. He was brought in as an experienced backup goalkeeper, featured in 2 friendly matches, and was named in the matchday squad on 4 occasions during that campaign. Even for a short time, anyone who wore the red shirt will always be family. Today is not just about losing a player, it's about losing a piece of Liverpool's story. The thoughts of everyone at LFC are with Alex's family and friends at this difficult time.